guys, welcome back to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, my name is Valentina. Nice to meet you. On today's video, we're going to be going over on how to recreate this look. I actually got inspired by a makeup artist that also has a YouTube channel. I believe his name is Hindaj. I can't pronounce his name. I'll link the video that inspired me to create this combination of colors and just overall this look down below, so you guys can check his video out. Love his content. I think he's so talented, so be sure to check him out. On today's video, obviously I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to accomplish this look. I actually didn't have any palettes with pink in it, believe it or not, so I ended up using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Radiant palette, and I also use this fuchsia pink from my Urban Decay Electric palette. Love this palette. I had it for a long time and I still use it pretty much every time I use a bright color in my eyes or want to recreate a super bold color, a super bold makeup look color. As usual, don't forget to give me a like if you like my content or if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notifications so you can actually get notified when I upload any video on this channel. I know I've been kind of missing in action, but I've been trying to upload at least once a week. Fingers crossed that I'll be able to edit this video and upload it this week. Anyways, that's enough talking. Let's get started. Alright, so as usual, we're going to begin priming our lids with a concealer. I'm using just a standard one. I can't remember which one I used for this tutorial, but use whatever you have. And I set it with translucent powder to begin. So now, using that peachy shade on that Coastal, I think it's called Coastal, the blush palette from Anastasia. I'm going to put that all over my crease, kind of elongating the eye, giving it an almond shape. And we're going to concentrate that peach color just on that area. Now grabbing that lighter pink, we're going to put that on top of that peachy shade and also in the lid. It really doesn't matter because eventually we're going to cover the lid like you guys are seeing here with a concealer. And I'm going to go ahead and put a bright color on that area. So this is a Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. Love this fuchsia color, and by patted motions I'm just going to apply that all over my moving lid right below my crease. Doesn't have to be too perfect, you just obviously want to get the intensity that you like. And then grabbing a fluffy brush, I just kind of blended all the edges together and cleaned it up with a wipe and also applied lashes. For skin, we're going to be using Fenty Beauty foundation on our skin. Love this foundation, but I was a little bit lazy and didn't wet my sponge, so it looks a little cakey on the video, but I actually make it work later, so don't worry about that. So now for concealer, I'm using the NARS Creamy Concealer and also NYX HD Studio, I think it's called. I use two shades. This NYX one is super light, and then the NARS one is Ginger, which is more my color. I combined them two just to create a little bit of illumination or a lighter kind of shade in that area and also to conceal. Now using my translucent powder, I'm just going to set everything and do like a light bake. And while I'm waiting for that to bake, I'm going to apply some of that pink or peach color that we began with on my lower lash line, and I'm also going to add some of that fuchsia after. For contour, I'm using a Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced. It's not really a contour, I'm just going to warm up my face and create a little bit of shadow on the sides of my face. And I'm also going to use that peach color on blush, I believe it's called Coastline, on my cheeks. For lip liner, we're using an LA Girl, I think it's called Plum. Yeah, Smooth Plum, I think it's called. LA Girl pencil. Jeez. I'm just gonna line my lips and fill them in a little bit. And then I'm also gonna use this bright color, I can't remember the name, I'll put it on the screen, by Anastasia. Love this combination. I have to be honest with you guys, my skin was not perfect on this tutorial, but I think it makes all the difference when you layer things. And then for highlight, we're using Soft and Gentle by MAC, which is a classic holy grail for me. And this is the look, guys. I'm using, actually I forgot to mention the lashes. I'm using Huda Beauty and Samantha.
Alright guys, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As usual, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Make sure you turn the bell notifications so you can get notified when I upload any content onto this channel. I'm going to link down below my Spanish channel so you can also follow me there if you're a Spanish speaking person. I'm watching you. I'll see you guys in my next one. Big kisses for everybody. Bye bye.